Hello? Is anybody home?
The fridge is completely empty.
There is just one bottle of water.
I am so hungry today.
My tummy is rumbling too.
Do we have any eggs?
We have no eggs at all.
Maybe we have some chicken?
No chicken. We have nothing.
I really want some food.
Don't worry. Mom will be home soon.
Wait, I have a great idea.
What is your idea?
Let's order a big pizza. Ha!
With extra cheese?
Yes. Yum, yum.
No pizza today, boys.
You are home.
I bought fresh sandwiches for us.
That looks so delicious.
Yummy. I am full now.
Good. Now we have energy.
We really needed that food.
Now, let's check the fridge.
It is still completely empty.
We need food for the whole week.
Oh. That is a big job.
Get dressed, team.
Are we going shopping? Let's go to the supermarket. Welcome to the supermarket, team.
Today is our big shopping day.
What is the mission, Mom?
We need food for the whole week.
I am ready to help.
Here is your mission, honey.
What do I need to get?
You need meat and fish.
Like chicken, beef, and salmon?
Exactly.
Meat and fish. Easy peasy.
Maya, you get vegetables and fruits.
I will find the freshest apples.
And get some fresh carrots, too.
Got it, Mom. I can do that.
Tom, you need to get milk.
And eggs. I love eggs.
Yes. But eggs break easily.
I will be very careful. Please listen to me, everyone.
We are listening, Mom.
Remember, only buy what is on the list.
No extra things? Nah.
No extras. We need to save money.
Can I get a small toy?
No, Tom. Stick to the list.
We will follow the rules.
Are you sure?
It is important. Yes, Captain. Let's go!
Milk and eggs.
Milk and eggs.
Wait, what is this magical place?
It is the candy aisle, Tom.
Look at all these bright colors. It looks so tasty and sweet. You should not look at it. Mom says I need to grow strong. Candy does not make you strong. Chocolate gives you lots of energy.
Tom, put that down right now.
If I eat this, I will be Superman. Mom said no extra things. These jelly beans are so yummy. You are making a wrong choice.
I will take them all anyway.
Not anyway. Oh my, look at this toy. It is a Lego car and a robot.
Tom, that is definitely not food.
I can play while I drink milk. You are not listening to Mom.
They go together perfectly. Into the cart.
My list says vegetables and fruit.
Did you find the fresh apples? Wait, look at this new paint collection.
Maya, we are here for food.
Wow, look at this beautiful paint set.
Remember Mom's rule about the budget?
But it is brand new. Ugh, you do not need it today. The colors are absolutely perfect.
Please stick to your shopping list.
I really want to be a famous artist.
This is not the time for art.
It is not a toy. It is an art supply.
Mom will be very concerned.
It is for my important school project. You should ask her first.
Mom will definitely agree.
Into the cart.
Now let me find the meat and fish section.
Chicken and fish. Where is the meat?
Dad, what is that bright sign?
Wait,
Wait. What is that?
huh?
It says flash sale right there. The Coffee Master. It is 50% off.
Dad, we only need meat and fish. Is this a wonderful dream? Mom said we must save money.
The original price is $400. That is a lot of money. Now it is only $200.
You are not buying food, Dad.
If I buy it, I save $200. Imagine a hot cappuccino every morning. Please look at your shopping list. I will be fully awake every day. Mom will be very unhappy. It is a necessity for me. You are ignoring the rules. I really have to buy it.
This is a very bad idea.
Yes, it is a great bargain. Come with me, beautiful coffee master.
How much is this all gonna cost?
I think we might have gone a little overboard.
Look, I got the big paint set.
Let me check my own list. Rice? Check. Soap?
Check!
Everything is absolutely perfect. I stayed on our strict budget today. Smart shopping is the best way. Here comes my wonderful dream team.
Hello, my beautiful wife.
Did you all get the healthy food?
We got a lot of things, Mom.
Let me check the shopping carts.
Wait, what is all of this?
I got some really good stuff.
Chocolate, paint, and a giant coffee maker?
Where is the fresh chicken? We forgot to get the chicken. Where are the fresh vegetables?
We did not look for them.
But honey, look at this machine.
I am looking at it, and I am worried. That does not matter right now. But Mom, these are professional paints. You are not a professional painter yet.
Oh, but the chocolate looks so yummy. Tom, we bought chocolate on Monday.
But I want more energy. We have a lot of chocolate at home. My paints are getting old, Mom. Maya, your room is full of paints. I wanted some new colors. Do you really need a new set today?
I suppose I do not need it.
And you, my dear husband?
It was such a good deal.
Even with 50% off, it is still expensive.
I just wanted nice coffee.
We don't really need it at all.
I thought I was saving money.
It's not saving if we don't need it. It is just wasting our money.
That is money for food for the whole week. I did not think about that.
Do you all look angry? Do you all want to go hungry?
Okay, you two take aisle 4, I'll take aisle 5.
Got it, Dad.
Let's get this over with. You are completely right, honey.
We have to be careful with money.
We got distracted by shiny things.
I made a wrong choice today. I am sorry, Mom. I made a wrong choice too.
It is okay. We can learn from this.
We will fix it right now. Sass, rise to Yeressen.
I will put the paints back.
I will return the coffee maker.
And I will put the candy away.
All right, team, let's put these back. Electronics for me.
The candy aisle is right here.
And I'll return the basket. Meet at the checkout.
Perfect. Now we have healthy food.
And we got the chicken and fish.
And I got the fresh apples. I carried the eggs very carefully.
Look at the total bill now.
It fits our budget perfectly.
Shopping smart feels really good.
I feel much better now. Yeah.
I am so hungry for real food.
I will cook a delicious dinner tonight.
Yay! I love your cooking. Let's go home right now. Oh. Ah.
Yes, we are all very hungry.
Always remember our important lesson.